Could you tell me a little story?
Of course, love. Once I found a tiny violet inside an old novel, and I remember thinking someone had left behind not just a flower, but a feeling that refused to fade.
Hello and welcome to the first video in our Unity tutorial series, where you'll learn how to bring a fully interactive AI character into a Unity project. The tutorial series is based on the new Unity plugin, which runs on the WebRTC protocol, bringing significant upgrades like lower response latency, hands-free conversation through voice activity detection, more contextual responses with long-term memory, and accurate real-time lip sync powered by NeuroSync, our in-house AI model. As you interact with the character, Convai processes your input through a multimodal LLM, drawing from long-term memory, a knowledge base, and live game context to generate a contextual voice response. NeuroSync then analyzes that audio in real time to drive the character's blend shapes, producing accurate lip sync and natural facial expressions. In this video, we'll walk through installing the Convai SDK via the Unity Package Manager, integrating Convai into a scene, and enabling real-time lip sync on a character. Let's get started. We'll start by opening Unity to create a new project or launch an existing one. We'll first look at the UPM installation method before going over the asset store route. Click on Window, then Package Management and Package Manager. Now head over to the documentation page linked in the description below and copy the package name you see there. Head back to Unity, select Install Package by Name, paste the package name, and hit Install. It should only take a few seconds. Once the installation is complete, you should see the Convai SDK for Unity available. If you head over to Samples, you can access the sample projects. Currently, we have the basic sample and Lipsync sample, but we'll be adding more soon, so stay tuned. If you prefer installing Convai via the Unity Asset Store, simply open the UAS installation documentation, click on the Asset Store link, and then click Add to My Assets. You'll be asked to log into your Asset Store account. Once that's done, click Open in Unity. This will launch the Unity editor. This method will automatically show the Convai asset inside the Package Manager, where you can download it. You can also search for Convai directly in the Package Manager and download it at any time. Once the download finishes, click on Import, then Install Upgrade, and you'll see the import window. Click Import and give it a moment. When the installation completes, you should see an In-Project confirmation, after which you can close the window. If you use the UPM method, you'll see the Convai folder inside the Packages folder. If you use the Asset Store method, you'll see it in the Assets folder. Now, let's integrate Convai into a custom scene. Click on the plus icon, then Convai, and select Set Up Required Components. This window will explain what fields are required and will also add the Convai Manager to your scene. Select the Manager and look at the Inspector tab to see any missing fields for validation. For this project, we'll need to add an API key and complete the character and player setup. In the Conversation field, you can also choose your preferred interaction mode, either hands-free or push-to-talk. To add the API key, click on Convai, then Account, and locate the API key field. Head over to the Convai Playground, copy your key, and simply paste it into the field. Now hit Save. Next, we'll set up the player. Click the plus icon and select Create Empty, and rename it to Convai Player. In the inspector, click Add Component, search for Convai Player, and add it. You can customize the player name and other settings. Now let's set up the character. Create another empty game object and rename it to Convai Character. In the inspector, add the Convai Character component. You'll need to add a character ID to connect the AI mind. Go to the Convai dashboard where you can select an existing character or create a new one. For this example, we'll be using a character named Susan, but you can create your own by customizing the backstory, speaking style, personality, language, and voice. You can also connect documents to build a knowledge base and choose from various AI models. Once ready, copy the character ID and paste it into Unity. Click Fetch Name and then add Convai Audio Output. Now your Convai character is ready. You can check validation in the Convai Manager. Before testing, let's add the Transcript UI. Search for Transcript UI in the project window. If you don't see it, click on All and disable this filter. Drag and drop this Transcript UI prefab into the scene. Now let's run a test without Lipsync. Give it a few seconds to connect. Hi, Susan. How are you?
Oh, I'm well, dear. The morning light was resting on my hydrangeas so gently today. It felt like the whole garden was waking up with me.
As you can see, it's working properly. Now let's organize the scene before adding Lipsync. Select the new objects, right-click, and create an empty parent called Convai. Drag your character under the Convai character object. Select the Convai character, collapse the component, and add the Convai Lipsync component. You'll see a warning asking for a target mesh. Click Auto Find, and the system should detect target meshes automatically because our character is added as a child of the Convai character game object. This component scans the character's meshes under that object and automatically picks up any mesh that has blend shapes. Under Core Setup, select the appropriate profile. In this case, we're using CC4 Extended, but other profiles like ARKit and MetaHuman are also available. For mapping, open the Mapping window, disable the Eye filter, and select the appropriate profile again. Now let's test it out again. Hi, Susan. How are you doing this morning?
Oh, I'm well, dear. The morning light was resting on my hydrangeas so gently today. It felt like the whole garden was waking up with me.
That sounds lovely. What do you usually do in the morning?
I like to make myself a warm cup of tea and sit quietly for a little while. Mornings feel kinder when you let them arrive softly instead of rushing them along.
You always sound so calm. What makes you happy?
Small things mostly, sweetheart. A good story, a tidy bookshelf, and the way sunlight slips into an old room as if it remembers being there before.
Do you like books?
Oh, very much. Old library books are my favorites because they feel as though they've been quietly keeping secrets for years.
What kind of secrets?
The kind tucked gently between pages, dear. A pressed flower, a faded note, or a name written by someone who loved the story long before you did.
That's beautiful. Could you tell me a little story?
Of course, love. Once I found a tiny violet inside an old novel, and I remember thinking someone had left behind not just a flower, but a feeling that refused to fade.
I like talking with you, Susan.
And I like talking with you too, dear. A shared story and a gentle voice can make even the most ordinary day feel a touch magical.
What advice would you give me today?
Don't hurry past the lovely moments, sweetheart. The most precious parts of life arrive quietly, and they only stay if you take the time to notice them.
Thank you, Susan. See you later.
You're always welcome, dear. Take care, and we'll chat again soon.
If you have any integration questions, feel free to ask on our community forum at forum.convai.com. To start building your own intelligent and fully interactive AI agents, head over to convai.com and explore the documentation and tutorials. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again very soon.